Samsung is finally making some big changes to its A series lineup, and this new leak gives us our first look at a more premium modern Galaxy A27 5G. Samsung is quietly preparing its next A series smartphone, and now, thanks to a collaboration between OnLeaks and HotEUDeals, we finally have our first look at the upcoming Galaxy A27 5G. And honestly, it looks like a solid upgrade. Starting with the front, Samsung is ditching the old water drop notch design and replacing it with a much cleaner hole punch camera. This alone gives the phone a more modern and premium feel. Along with that, we get a flat display with noticeably slimmer bezels, making the overall look much more refined compared to its predecessor. Now, let's talk about the frame, because this is where things get interesting. The Galaxy A27 is expected to feature an aluminum frame, which instantly boosts its premium appeal. On the side, you'll find a combined power button and fingerprint scanner, along with volume controls. There's also a subtle design tweak here. The frame slightly bulges around the button area, which could improve grip and usability. Moving to the bottom, the phone includes a USB Type-C port, speaker grille, and SIM card slot. Pretty standard, but still essential. On the back, Samsung is going with a pill-shaped camera module with vertically aligned lenses. It's a simple yet clean design that fits well with Samsung's recent design language. In terms of size, the Galaxy A27 measures around 162.3 by 78.6 by 7.9 millimeters. Compared to the Galaxy A26, it's slightly wider and a bit thicker, which could mean a bigger battery or improved internals, although specs are still under wraps. Overall, even though we don't have the full specs yet, one thing is clear. The Galaxy A27 is shaping up to be a noticeable design upgrade over the previous generation. So what do you think about this new design? Is Samsung finally getting the A series right? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want the latest leaks, hidden features, and Samsung updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.